हाय फ्रेंड्स, आज का हमारा टॉपिक है इंडिया फर्स्ट यानी भारत का पहला। अब ये टॉपिक बहुत ही कॉमन है, सारे एग्जाम्स में इससे क्वेश्चंस आते ही है। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोर टाइम, लेट्स स्टार्ट। द फर्स्ट हाइड्रोइलेक्ट्रिक प्लांट इज इन सिड्रापोंग व्हिच इज इन दार्जिलिंग। नाउ द फर्स्ट मैन इन स्पेस इज राकेश शर्मा एंड द फर्स्ट न्यूक्लियर रिएक्टर इज अप्सरा which is in Maharashtra, and the first satellite is Aryabhat. The first successful indigenous launch vehicle is SLV-3. First genetically modified food product in India is eggplant hybrid. First graduate in medicine is Surya Kumar Chakravarti. First Indian to be appointed as the Deputy Director General of WHO is Dr. Soumya Swaminathan. The first satellite Earth system for domestic communication is in Sikandarabad. And the first Indian to get Nobel Prize in Physics is C.V. Raman. Now coming on to the governance, the first President of India is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. And the first Vice President of India is Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. First President of Indian National Congress is Umesh Chandra Banerjee. And the Prime Minister of India is Jawaharlal Nehru. The first Chief Election Commissioner of India is Sukumar Sen. And the first Viceroy of India is Lord Canning. The first Governor General of India is Lord William Bentinck. And the first Chief Justice of India is H.K. Kania. The first Speaker of Lok Sabha, G.V. Malvankar. And the first Home Minister of India is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The first Chairperson of Lokpal of India is Pinaki Chandra Bose. Okay, now coming on to the defense sector, the first Defense Minister of India is Baldev Singh. The first Commander-in-Chief of Indian Air Force is Subrata Mukherjee. And the first Field Marshal is Sam Monkesh. The first Paramveer Chakra winner is Major Somnath Sharma. The first female Jawan in the army is Sapper Shanti Tigga. The first woman to fly fighter aircraft without co-pilot is IAF officer Avani Chaturvedi. The first woman in the Indian Army awarded the Sword of Honor prize is Divya Ajit Kumar. Now coming on to the sports part, the first Olympic team medal is gold in hockey, which is in 1928 Summer Olympics. The first Indian woman wrestler to win an Asian gold medal is Navjit Kaur. The first Indian woman badminton player to win an Asian game medal is Saina Nehwal. The first woman to win a medal at Asian Games is Shanti Saundaryam. And the first person to win international bronze medal in skiing is Anchal Thakur. The first woman to win an Olympic silver medal is PV Sindhu in badminton. Now the first female to represent India at the Summer Olympics is Nora Pole in 1924 Summer Olympics. The first individual gold medal won by Abhinav Bindra in 2008 Summer Olympics in Beijing. Now, the first woman to win a medal in wrestling is Sakshi Malik, and she has won bronze medal 2016 Summer Olympics. Now, coming on to the architecture, the first temple constructed from a single rock is Kailash Temple at Ellora. Now, the first church in India is St. Thomas Church, and the first mosque in India is Cheraman Juma Mosque in Mithila. The first dam in India is Kalanai Dam. Now, coming on to the general questions, the first British to visit India is Hawkins. The first Chinese pilgrim to visit India is Fahim. And the first India to reach Antarctica is Ramcharan. And the first judge in International Court of Justice is Dr. Nagendram Singh. The first post office of India is opened in Calcutta in 1727. And the first STU baby of India is Indira. Now, the first wax statue of a living Indian is of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. Now, the first Indian Lok Sabha member to be elected with a record maximum number of votes is P.V. Narasimha Rao. Now, India's first open university is Andhra Pradesh Open University, and India's first university is Nalanda University. See, India's first university is Nalanda University, but India's first open university is Andhra Pradesh Open University. Okay. Now, India's first man to in space is Rakesh Sharma, and the first Speaker of Lok Sabha is Ganesh Vasudev Malvankar. The first and last Muslim woman ruler of India is Razia Sultan, and the first and the last Indian to be the Governor General of Free India is C. Rajgopalachari. Now, the first British Governor General of Bengal is Lord William Hastings, and the first British Governor General of India India is Lord William Bentinck. Now, the first British Viceroy of India is Lord Canning. And the first Chief Election Commissioner is Sukumar Sen. And the first Chief Justice of Supreme Court is Justice Hiralal K. Kania. The first Chief of Army Staff is General Maharaj Rajendra Singh Ji. And the first Education Minister is Abdul Kalam Azad. Now, the first Governor General of India is Lord Mountbatten. And the first Home Minister of India is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And the first Indian Air Chief Marshal is S. Mukherjee. Okay. Now, the first Indian Commander-in-Chief of India is General Cariappa. And the first Indian member of the Viceroy Executive Council is S.P. Sinha. Now, the first Indian Naval Chief is Viceroy Admiral R.D. Kataria. And the first Indian pilot is J.R.D. Tata in 1929. The first Indian to cross English Channel is Mihir Sen. This is a very, very frequently asked question. The first Indian to cross English Channel is Mihir Sen. Now, the first Indian to get Nobel Prize in Physics is C.V. Raman, and the first Indian to join the Indian Civil Service is Satyendra Nath Tagore. The first Indian to receive Bharat Ratna Award is Dr. Radhakrishnan, and the first Indian to win Nobel Prize is Rabindranath Tagore. The first judge of International Court of Justice is Dr. Nagendra Singh, and the first lady to become Miss World is Rita Faria. The first man who introduced printing press in India is James Hickey, and the first Muslim president of India is Dr. Zakir Hussain. Now, the first Muslim president of Indian National Congress is Badruddin Taibaji, and the first Muslim president of Indian Republic is Dr. Zakir Hussain. Okay. Now, the first person of Indian origin to receive Nobel Prize in Medicine, and the answer is Hargobind Khurana. Now, the first person to get Paramveer Chakra is Major Somnath Sharma, and the first person to reach Mount Everest without oxygen is Sherpa Anga Dorje. Now, the first person to receive Gyanapith Award is Sri Shankar Kurup, and the first person to receive Magsaysay Award is Acharya Vinoba Bhave. The first person to receive Nobel Prize in Economics is Amartya Sen. Now, the first person to resign from Central Cabinet is Syama Prasad Mukherjee, and the first President of India who died while in office is Dr. Zakir Hussain. Okay. The first President of Indian National Congress is W.C. Banerjee, and the first President of Indian Republic is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The first Prime Minister of Free India is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and the first Prime Minister of India who did not face the Parliament is Charan Singh. Now, the first Prime Minister of India who resigned without completing the full term is Morarji Desai, and the first Vice President of India is Dr. Radhakrishnan. The first woman Air Vice Marshal is P. Bandyopadhyay, and the first woman airline pilot is Durba Banerjee. The first woman ambassador is Miss C.B. Muthama. The first woman Asian Games gold medal winner is Kamaljit Sindhu. The first woman chairman of UPSC is Rose Milian Bethu. And the first woman chairperson of Indian Airlines is Sushma Chawla. The first woman Chief Justice of High Court is Mrs. Leela Seth, who was in Himachal Pradesh High Court. And the first woman Chief Minister of Indian States is Mrs. Suchita Kripani. The first woman Director General of Police is Kanchana Chaudhary Bhattacharya. The first woman DG of Police is Kanchana Chaudhary Bhattacharya. The first woman Governor of a state in Free India is Mrs. Sarojini Naidu. The first woman graduate is Kadambini Ganguly, and the first woman honors graduate is Kamini Roy in 1886. The first woman IPS officer is Mrs. Kiran Bedi, and the first woman judge is Anna Chandi. She became the judge in District Court in 1973. Now, the first woman judge in Supreme Court is Mrs. Meera Sahib Fatima, and the first woman judge in Supreme Court of India is Kumari Justice M. Fatima Bibi. Now, the first woman lawyer is Cornelia Sorabji, and the first woman Lieutenant General is Punita Arora. The first woman minister in a government is Rajkumari Amrit Kaur, and the first woman Olympic medal winner is Karnam Malleswari in 2000. The first woman pilot in Indian Air Force is Harita Kaur Doyal, and the first woman president of Indian National Congress is Mrs. Annie Besant. The first president of UN General Assembly, Mrs. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, and the first woman prime minister is Mrs. Indira Gandhi. Now, The first woman speaker of a state assembly is Sonno Devi. And the first woman to climb Mount Everest is Bachendri Pal. The first woman to climb Mount Everest twice is Santosh Yadav. And the first woman to cross English Channel is Aarti Saha. The first woman to receive Ashoka Chakra is Nirja Bhanot. And the first woman to receive Bharat Ratna is Mrs. Indira Gandhi. The first woman to receive Jnanpith Award is Ashapurna Devi. The first woman to receive Nobel Prize is Mother Teresa.